Hi everyone, this is Safa. Welcome back to our Control System Fundamentals series. In this video, we learn how to simulate the step response directly from a transfer function in MATLAB. We'll see how defining the transfer function first makes it easy to analyze and plot the system response. Okay, let's go through the code step by step. We started by clearing the workspace and command window using CLC clear and close all to avoid any conflict with previous data. Then we defined the system parameters, the gain k equal to and the time constants tau equal 3 seconds. These parameters determine how the system reacts to input. And then we define the Laplace variable s using TFS and create the transfer function. This is a standard first order system. And the DISP command simply prints the transfer function to the MATLAB command window so we can verify it. And finally, we plot the step response using a step G. We add a grade here for better visualization and label to access and title the plot. Okay, running this code. Okay, command window, transfer function TF with properties, and figure 1. This code will show how the system output rises over time in a response to a step input. You can see. Okay, you can adjust k or tau to see how the response changes. And that's it for our second video. You now know how to define a transfer function in MATLAB and plot its step response. In the next video, we'll explore the impulse response of a first order system and learn how it's related to the step response. Thanks for watching.